Be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful.
Please, looking.
Yo, spread boys, spread boys, spread boys, please, spread, spread, spread.
Nag-mount yung iba.
Ayan, ano tong nasa ano ko? Alay yan, alay. Just hold, just hold, just hold.
Dami na ng mga rattles, putang ina.
Looking sila.
Yo, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. Kung baka mag...
Hold lang sila sa ano.
Yung ba yung color nila? Si Zero to Tank? Ano ba yun?
Yeah. Si Zero. May naka-mark.
Pero watch out yung 0-0 tanker yung IGN ah. Feeling ko yan yung main color. Ewan ko lang.
Zero to Hilo color.
May isa pa silang Earthron dyan na 0-0 yung tanker yung pangalan. Ingat kayo doon guys.
Rinig ba ako?
Yeah, rinig ko.
Looking sila, looking sa ditang.
Yo, be careful, be careful, be careful.
Ano nga, nag-engage.
Walkies, ready. Shallow, ease on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ease on me. Any damage, come back fast. Come back fast.
Looking uli sila.
Come back fast. Go west. On the choke, come back on the choke. May
Yes,
life.
confirm.
Come back on
Zero
the choke.
to... Ayun yung color yun yung naka-mark.
Yeah. I know, nakamark din siya sa akin. I know. Be careful. That's lag, bro. Hold.
Hindi pa pala ako nag-cross.
Hamster.
Yo, be careful. Come west. Spread west. You're too clumped up, boys. Declamp. Heal Rimuru. You're too clumped up. Hold. Spread. Hold. Pag
Wala
okay,
nila nasa east.
lalapit na tayo sa kanila.
Inching color.
Be careful. Spread.
Bomb squad nasa southeast banda. Going na sila, looking na sila.
Yeah,
Kami nga.
Ano choke.
Looking sila lahat. Yung tank. Ayun.
Yeah, they're looking. BS. Spread. Hala yan. Ayan sila. Just hold.
Nasa north side mo yung bomb squad ah.
Bomb squad natin.
Nila. Delete pa yan.
Alay nga yan. Alay natin yan.
Okay. Parang di naman ba tayo nun?
Hindi ba yan? Nakaano
Hindi ko
yan.
pa-invite ako sa mga nag-exap.
Engaging sila sa dito.
Engaging na.
Try to catch them. Easy, look east. Easy on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ease on me now. Okay, come back. Fuck, I'm lagging so bad, man. The heck?
Looking ulit sila. Nasa loob yung color.
Lag ako. Come west.
Looking dito sila.
Skills. Come west. Wait, I'm lagging. Come west. Ang lalag ako sobra. So, po. Come west. Wait a bit. Saan na ako? Yo, email. Tayo lang ako. Po. Take over nga muna, Smashel. Wait lang, naglalag ako sobra.
Kamas muna.
Okay na.
Hold west muna.
Okay na.
Okay ka na?
I'm lagging so bad.
Nag-engage sila sa south.
Oh shit.
Walk up. Southeast. Spread, boys. Papay ka ako. After J, papay ka ako. Be careful sa color. Yo, spread. They might engage. Spread. Be careful. Wait a bit. Just spread. Be careful. Sorry.
Sa isa sila.
Yo, spread northwest. Sa northwest ko kayo mag-spread dog sa southwest. Saan sila pumunta?
Sa east sila, nasa east sila.
Southeast of you. Southeast of you.
Southeast, southeast.
Yeah, no. Pero saan pupunta yun?
Wala, ano.
Reset lang ako.
Hinihila ka lang nito, hinihila ka lang nito.
Yeah, I know, no. We stay sa HO, we stay sa HO. Pag okay na tong HO, lalapitan na natin sila.
Southeast sila ng Terry nila.
Okay. We play around the HO base.
minutes pa to.
Yo, regear and comeback ah. Walang maglilib ng party. Yung mga one set wonders dyan, no, regear kayo. Yo, just stay here. Spread here, please. Wait. Pa-check ako ng blob sa south. Ano yan? May umigot.
City. Tiangil.
Inchingin ulit. Dito.
Okay.
Delight tong nasa south mo. Delight yan.
We just spread. Hayaan mo sila mag-engage na mag-engage.
Careful dito.
Lumalabas sila, lumalabas.
Yo, not too
Looking-
far away from me dito. Wala tayo masyadong first.
Sila sa ditang.
Walk up.
Engage
Yo, ready east. Walk up, east. East on me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's all of them. More damage. Come back now. Once you drop your east, come back. I need outkeepers. They're looking again. Yo, ditang, peel. I need ditang peeling. Down the choke, eh. Yo, may brawler sa inside of me. Ditang. Down the choke. They're engaging again. Down the choke, boys. Spread down the choke, please.
Engage siya,
Mga
engage
brawler
siya.
sa inside of me. Yeah, I know. Walk up now. East again. Ready east. East. Walk east. Under color. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, under color. Nag-clear.
Nag-level.
Okay. Yo, come back. Try to kill the color. Color. Almost dead. Kill the color. Nice. Come back, boys. May extra color yan. Hindi lang yung isang color.
Bomb squad, engaging.
Come back. Oh, wait. Hold again. Yo, I need ditang peeling, boys. Peel for us.
AFK dito, RB nila.
Patay niyo to ang RB. Yo, engage on the RB. Engage. Just drop east. Patay niyo na yun. Nice. Come back. 8 ilang minutes pa to? 10 minutes?
Pumasok uli sila sa Terry ah.
Wala pa tayo color nila eh.
Yeah, magre-rigger. Yo, actually, in shop.
Delight to nasa southeast mo. Delight yan.
Yo, spread. Don't pick. Clotis don't pick. Huwag niyo atakin yung delight, boys. Huwag niyo atakin yung delight, please.
Ano tong last na sa northwest mo? Last guild. Baba.
Last kill. Anong tag? Alliance?
Wala eh. Last lang.
No, that's enemy. Only Hello and SYS yung allies natin na. Hello and SYS. Yeah, I saw. So, come back.
Motivated.
Nag-engage yung delight.
Nag-engage. Kaya mo sila.
Looking yung bomb squad.
Wala.
Just on the front. Ito, si Kim. Ready. After night. In 3, 2, 1. Ito kay Kim. Nasa ilyo niya. Come back. Hold. Kaya na i-bonk, diba? Kaya ba natin mag-bonk? Can you guys bonk yung walls?
Kaya, may dala akong ama.
Yeah. Try to bonk. Just be careful. Only with tanks with clerics. Only.
Wait, bomb sa north mo, yung last ha.
Pamata lang ako, please. Fail case Marshall. Try to hammer, try to bonk. 0% na yung ano nila, oh. May nanata yung walls na ito, I think. First. Kill the guards.
Makalapit.
Looking.
Yung party.
Be careful. Spread.
Ay, nag-bomb.
Yeah,
Nag-bomb.